wildcard new tournament ngayong Thursday at Friday guys for 2,000 USDT a day for the top 64 with the new scoring and mood in place. Meron po yung top 1 to 8 na 100 USDT guys. Yan po yung inyong pricing. And then 9 to 16, top 9 to 16 po yan is 50 USDT. And then top 17 to 32 is 20 USDT. And top 33 and 64 is 10 USDT. So gameplay updates, why we're simplifying and refocusing the game mood from the players' feedback and tournament data nga daw yan. So it's clear that the best part of wildcard is the champion combat and big ability moments but too many overlapping system. We're making it harder to understand what's happening and what decisions actually matters in match. So guys, dito nga sabi nila no, nagkakaroon po ng change dito guys. We're tightening the game around what hits harder. Champions, big abilities, commanding summons, cleaner objectives, more skills-driven matches po yan guys ng wild cards. So ito nga yung kanilang new mode of tournaments. Ano pa yung inaantay natin guys? Pasok na at grind po tayo para mapasok natin ang leaderboard at mapasama po tayo sa kanilang pa-reward po dyan. So what are you waiting for? Grind now! And follow for more! Bye-bye!